This is gonna blow your mind. Why do we hiccup? Let's find out. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs, spasms out of the blue. This sends a message to your brain which then tells your vocal cords to snap shut. And there you have it. But why does it happen? Could be eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting excited. Your body's like, whoa, slow down. And sometimes it just happens for no reason at all. Most times they go away on their own, but if you need a quick fix, try holding your breath or drinking water slowly. Some folks swear by standing on your head, but maybe just stick to water. So next time you'll know exactly what's going on in that quirky body of yours. Pretty cool, right?